Hi everyone, this is Debbie from the Shop at Threads. Welcome back to our channel. I'm just giving you a little preview of what it looks like outside here in the Chicagoland area. We got a little bit of snow, so it seemed like a perfect day to do a little cooking. And also, I'm going to be making some limoncello today with you. So we're going to get started. Okay, what I bought was organic lemons. Mine came 10 to a bag. So I bought 2 bags. I'm going to use probably, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably 12 lemons. I like mine a little more lemony. These are good sized lemons, so it should really taste very good in the end. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to peel these lemons, the skin, not the white part underneath. You don't want to peel that. And that's because it's a very bitter rind, and you don't want your limoncello to be bitter. So I'm just going to kind of show you. I have a potato peeler. I have yet to invest into a better peeler. Through all these years, I've been using the same one, and I could use another one, but this is what I'm using today. Okay, so just going lightly on top. Like I said, I'm not really digging down. I'm just lightly peeling. If you find a better way to zest your lemon, by all means, do it. Just don't get the white part. Just make sure you're getting the yellow. You want to make sure you're keeping that yellow skin. Okay? That's the part that is sweet. So I'm going to end up doing all of these lemons. And then what I'll do is I'll come back and show you what the next step would be. I use... because it's 4 ingredients all together. But I use the Tito's handmade vodka, the whole entire bottle. And then I also use 2 cups of sugar with 2 cups of water. So that will be your total ingredients, and I'll have the recipe posted below the video. So yes, I'm going to continue on with the lemons, and then we will be back. Okay, we just finished zesting the lemons, and here we go. This is what we got out of, let's see, we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lemons I ended up doing. So we're going to take the vodka now, and we're going to pour the vodka into the lemon rinds. Use a glass bowl. I used the plastic the last time, and to be with a snap-on lid. To be honest with you, I felt that the limoncello picked up a little bit of a plastic taste. So use a glass bowl, and then just put saran wrap over it, or whatever you use to cover your bowls. But plastic, no, I wouldn't advise using that at all. Even when you're bottling up, use the bottles. Use this bottle to put it back in, and if you have another bottle, you're going to need it, because it's going to give you this large one and then a smaller one half the size. So I'm taking, as I said, I use Tito's, and I pour in the whole entire bottle. Okay. And you're going to let this sit. They say 4 to 5 days. I went 6 to 7. I think it was 7 days. I really wanted that super lemony flavor. So I'm going to let this sit for 7 days. We'll come back and do another video on finishing it up. But I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what you're going to do afterwards, just so you have the rest of the instructions or the recipe. So when this sits for 7 days, what we're going to go in and do is strain the vodka with a mesh strainer, okay? And you're going to get out the lemon peels. You're going to put 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water in a saucepan, and you're going to boil it to make a simple syrup. When that cools down, you're going to add it to the vodka. Obviously, your lemon rinds are going to, or your peels from your lemon are going to be gone because you've already strained them. And then you're going to let that cool down, and you're going to put it in the bottles and then stick it in the fridge. And it's good up to about a month or longer, a little longer than that, after you had made it. They say a month. I think we've had ours for like a month and a half, 2 months. We're doing this for Christmas with everybody coming to my house, so I know this ain't gonna last. And it's a good after dinner drink. You can also make lemon martinis with it. It's delicious. So there, we just drained our whole bottle of Tito's vodka into it. And you can almost see that it's taken on a slight yellow look right now. So yeah, that's good. And then, like I said, I'm going to put saran. I've got another kind of cover that I'm going to use. Just give me 1 second. But now you've got all these lemons that you peeled. I don't think that's going to fit. Oh, well, okay, cool. That fits. I'm going to let that sit, like I said, for, 7 days. So we're going to take this away, and I'm going to give you a little tip on the lemons that you had just peeled. You don't want to throw those out, obviously. And how are you going to go through using all these lemons, without them going bad? Well, suggestion, make homemade lemonade. Awesome thing to do. You're just going to slice your lemons, squeeze them all into a pitcher, and you're going to add a little bit of simple syrup, which you're going to, again, take a pan, boil, a cup of, or you can even use 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, put it in the container with your lemon juice, and put it in your fridge. It's going to be pretty strong, and you're going to my guess would be close to 1.5 gallons, if not 2 gallons of lemonade. Homemade lemonade, you can't beat that. So that's what you do with these. You don't want to waste them. And then I reserved 2 lemons right here, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice some lemons up when we're serving, so that you kind of can get that pretty look to it. So yeah, that's it. But I will do a second part series on how to make the rest of the limoncello. So be looking for it. All right. Well, you folks have a great day, and we'll chat soon. Bye.